My old SD card reader broke. I think a cat chewed on it or something, but that's besides the point, because today we're setting up a docking station that's complete with SD card readers, extra USB ports, and more. And this docking station comes shipped to your door, ready to improve your productivity and give you some more inputs as well. Inside the box, you have a quick start guide, a USB-C to USB-C cable, and then your docking station. The front of the docking station has a micro SD card port, normal SD card port, 2 USB ports, a USB-C port, headphone jack, and then your power port. The back of the docking station has a LAN port, a display port, 2 HDMI ports, and then another USB-C port. Now it's important that your computer has a USB-C port because this gives your docking station its power. And all you have to do to get started is plug the USB-C cable into the docking station, and then into your computer's USB-C port. Then you can start using it. First, I tried hooking up my laptop and using extra monitors, but I kept getting this pop-up. All my drivers are updated, so I guess my laptop isn't supported. But that's fine though, because I got this for my desktop. The USB ports on the front of my computer are always used, so this gives me some extra USB ports that I can easily access. It gives me a reliable way to transfer footage, and this gives me a nice station right on my desk. I can swap SD cards easily and get my footage transferred fast. I also don't have to bend over and plug things in under the desk anymore. It's always hard trying to find the right USB angle, so this will make things so much easier. I like the way it looks too. It looks pretty sleek on my desk. Now, although I don't use my laptop much, it would be nice to hook up the monitors through the docking station when I need to. So if you think I've missed something and can get this feature to work, please let me know in the comments below. But other than that, I'm really impressed. I have an SD card reader with easy access, and USB ports an arm's length, and I couldn't be happier. So if you're looking for a docking station to give you some ease of access as well, this docking station from WAVLINK might just be for you. Till next time, I've got some more footage to transfer. See ya.